Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the 1972 Olympic Games shooting range here in Munich, Germany for our 25-meter pistol women. I'm Hillary Russell, and I have the pleasure of having Serbia's 2010 World Championship silver medalist Zorana Aranovic here with me today.
Yes, I can.
Zorana, why do I always get tied up on Anyway, Zorana, it's nice to have you here with us.
Again.
Again, I know,
Again.
I know. I was really hoping that you would do today's final. You had a really good day the other day.
Yes.
Today, what happened?
Well, actually, I have to say I am kind of satisfied because I feel that I improved certain points of my shooting. So I didn't have enough luck, I had one series 46 with 4 times in a row 9.9 and one 10.0. So, and I guess that it had some influence on me, but yeah, I'm improving myself. Baby steps, but I'm improving.
Perfect. So we have coming in 8th place with 583 points representing Spain, Sonia Franquet.
Sonia is one of the shooters who is entering the finals in sport pistol very often. She was also the finalist in World Championships, so this is going to be a very good final, I think, for her also, and I'm expecting good result of her.
Then we have in 7th place with 583 points, representing the Czech Republic, we have Lenka Maruskova.
What to say about world number 1? What else to say? I mean, she was great in Milan and she was great in London, and this is a consecutive final for her, so great.
She's doing great.
Great.
And in 6th place, coming with 583 points, representing Bulgaria, we have Antoneta Bonova.
One of my friends, one of my many friends. Very good rapid fire shooter. She's very good in sport pistol, but especially in rapid fire, so this is going to be good for her also.
5th place with 583 points, representing France, Celine Gabovi.
Celine again.
I know, we're seeing the same faces.
She's having, I think, great couple of weeks with finals in both disciplines. I think she won medal in London. And this is very good to have many finals before Olympic Games.
And in 4th place with 583 points, representing the People's Republic of China, we have Chen Ying.
I have to say she is definitely my favorite sport pistol shooter. I think that she has been the best sport pistol shooter in the last decade and Olympic champion. So I always expect maximum from her, and she can always surprise us, like really surprise us.
Then in 3rd place with 583 points representing Germany, we have Munkbayar Dorserin.
Again, one of those who are always in the finals in sport pistol, and you can always expect a great result out of her.
Then in 2nd place with 585 points, we have Heidi Diethelm.
The biggest surprise of European Championships in Belgrade last year. She won gold medal, and it's good to see that someone who won gold medal in one championships just comes back again, like it was an accident or something like that. So it's very good to see her, and for me it's a big surprise, and I'm happy for her.
Great. Then first with 586 points representing Georgia, Nino Salukvadze.
Nino, one of those shooters that I say that it's like wine. The older she gets, the better she is. She's very good, and she's not good only in one discipline. I like to say she's multitasking.
Yeah.
I mean, she's really great in both disciplines. She won medal in the last Olympic Games in Beijing, and she can shoot very good final, I think.
And here you can see we only have 3 points separating 1st through 8th place.
Yes, for me it's a little bit strange because when you go to World Cup, you usually have 1 or 2 people who have outstanding results, like 588, 589, or even 590 something. And then there is a bigger difference between the first and last place. Here you have the first Nino with 586 and the last Sonia with 583. So it's not a big difference, but I have to say that I expected a little bit higher results, especially because Munich range is really great range.
Right.
And I have to say that from all the ranges I have ever been to, Munich as a city and Munich as a shooting complex is definitely my favorite. I have beautiful memories here.
Of course you do.
And I have always, I always enjoyed shooting in here. So, and you can see that the results in this shooting range were always great.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to say, I am a little bit surprised that the first place isn't a little bit higher, but
But it'll make it
this is
interesting,
okay.
definitely,
Yes,
for the final itself,
yes,
to find out who's going to be on the highest up of the podium. And when it's so close like this,
yes,
after
because
each series, things can change
yes,
around
yes,
dramatically.
because you have only two people with higher than 583. You have Nino with 86, Heidi with 85, and the rest of the girls with 83. So as I told you, rapid fire stage is it's it's very strange because things can change from one series to another. You can score 50 series, but then if you count, since you're counting in the finals 10 point something, you can have very low series. But
Mm-hmm.
also if someone scores 49 or 48 with strong tens and strong nines, they can also have better series than you. So everything can change. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay. Can you explain to the non-shooting viewers about this a little bit? How much time do they have to shoot?
Yes, of course. Rapid fire stage. Well, it's the stage where I think it demands 100% of a shooter because you have 6 series, 5 shots in each series, and you have 1 minute to fire them all, and you have to listen to the commands. When you have you have to put your arm first 7 seconds. Your arm has to be in the position of 45 degrees,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have during that time you have the red light, and as soon as the green light switches on, you have 3 seconds to lift your pistol, to aim, and to fire. So that is what is actually most what's most interesting thing to each younger shooter
Mm-hmm.
is that everyone is scared not to be late,
Okay.
and that is then you have people who are firing sixes and sevens and even missing the target because they cannot just evaluate how much time do they have, and it takes a lot of time just to learn that 3 seconds really is a lot of time.
But to non-shooters or to spectators, 3 seconds just seems like a blink of an eye.
Okay, to me also.
Mm-hmm.
To me also, when I'm not in full training and sometimes when I just get lost in my training sessions, I have no idea that 3 seconds is so much time.
Right.
I think it's not enough. It's not enough, and I can get late even after 10 years of shooting. So and now they have to be focused and to give their best because anyone can win medal. Even the 8th position can reach first position.
Okay, now on to Gabarvit.
Oof. I think that at the moment Heidi is a little bit under stress because she had 2 times 8.
Mm-hmm.
But you can also see that Nino's group is a little bit wide. Yes.
So let's just take a look here. After the first series, we have Salukvadze, who had a 49.7, Ditham a 48.4, Dorthurin a 49.9, Chen a 52.7.
Wonderful.
Gabarvi a 51.2, Bonova a 48.3, Emma Ruskova a 51.2, and Franquette a 49.7.
Well, you know what? Chen has shown so many times that she can handle the pressure so well.
Right.
I mean, I just saw a few days ago, I was going through some results, and I saw that Chen actually had 208.5 final series in the Olympic Games.
Wow.
So in Beijing.
Right.
So first Beijing, China, actually host country, and she's Chinese, and
A lot
I
of
think-
pressure right there.
yes, I think she had, and she was the best at that moment because she was really the best sport pistol shooter at that moment, and everyone I think expected out of her to be the first place, and to fire such a good final. In the Olympic Games, I was really surprised, and it's not the only thing, but she was really good, and I think she can handle the pressure the best out of all the women.
Well-
And I also have to say that Celine can handle.
She's really come
Yes.
up and really is in the game now,
Yeah.
Celine. She has matured over the last 2 years.
Yes, I think.
And I don't think that she is as shy as she was, a
Yes.
couple of years ago. She still is shy, though.
Yes, she's shy, but she's not shy in shooting.
That's right, and that's where it counts. Okay, we're moving on to the second series now. Let's take a look at Chen and Dorsarin.
Attention.
You see two of them, they are firing in the last moments. I was watching at Chen, I think it was USA 2009, 10, I don't remember. She had 299 and in the rapid fire stage, and she fired 9 in her last 5 shots. Her times was about 290, 295, 299. She had really good rhythm, but she was later than the other women. So I can say about Mung Bayar the same thing. They are both lifting the pistol extremely, extremely fast. I said that I cannot lift my arm without anything that fast. And they have time to aim and to shoot well.
Wow, this is pretty good again for Chen.
Yes.
We had Slukvidze with a 49.9, Dietam 47.7, Dorsarin a 49.6, Chen a 52.7. That's really
Yes.
amazing.
I think she had all inner tens.
Gobervi a 51.5, Bonova a 51.8, Maruskova a 51.6, and Franquet a 51.3. Chen is now with 2.6 tenths of an advantage in the lead after having two exceptional series, 52.7 and 52.7. I mean,
It's
Really.
great, and I'm really looking forward to see if she's going to finish the same way, because if she does, I think that she's going to have extraordinary final.
we have Gobervi now in third place, and she's holding on to that by 1/10 of a point.
Yes, but you can see that all three ladies, Gobervi, Boneva, and Marushkova, had approximately the same results, and I think that Marushkova and Gobervi can get into real fight, and I would never ever forget about Boneva.
Never.
So no, you cannot just skip her, because she can be very dangerous opponent from the behind. So you have to pay attention to her and to both, all three of them, Gobervi, Boneva, Marushkova.
Okay, we're going on to series 3 now.
And you see Nino's series. I mean, she has a good group, but it has moved a little bit to the left side. And to me, as a shooter, that's the worst thing that I see when the shots are going on the wrong side.
On the wrong side.
And rapid fire stage is like that. You cannot do anything. You cannot adjust your sights during series. So if you started with your shots left, you end that way. And in final, that's not so good.
No.
Attention.
Okay, back on now to series 3.
She's too fast for the camera also.
She really is. We have to hold the cameras on her for a couple minutes so we
Yes.
can see.
And she's aiming with her both eyes. And it wasn't very successful, I have to say.
10-3, 10-2. Gobervi with a great 10-7, 10-6.
And 9.4. Look at Boneva.
Excellent shooting by Bonova right now.
.51.
Unload.
As I
Oh.
told you, you just can't.
You can't
Skip her.
No, not at all.
Serious.
Okay, what do we have here? We have Slukvidze, who has shot a 48.1, Dietam at 49.5, Dorsarin a 48.7, Chen 51.8, Gobervi a 51.4, Bonova 52.1, Maruskova 50.9, and Franquet a 49.6. Chen still holding the first place, 3.1 tenths away from her is Gobervi. Maruskova is in third place, and behind her we have Bonova, who's moved up the scoreboard. She's 1.5 points away now from Maruskova.
As I told you, those three ladies are are going to decide who is going to take medals. I mean, Chen, I think it's very much obvious that
Yes.
I think that at this moment she could just try to gain even better final than 208 point something. And for those three ladies in second, third, and fourth place, it's going to be interesting fight to see who's going to lose a medal.
That's right,
Unfortunately,
unfortunately.
but someone has to lose a medal.
Okay, going on to the fourth series. Um, you always pick them right, you know? Whenever we have a final and I ask you, what do you think? And you're always like, keep an eye on this person because they can move up the scoreboard,
Yes.
then bam, Bonava's up.
But I have to say, Chen was my pick for today.
Yes, in fact.
I mean, usually, whenever she's in the final, she's my pick. I have to say,
Right.
because to be honest, I already said, to me, she's the best shooter of last decade in this decade, or last decade, whatever, in sport pistol. And I'm happy because in 2006, I was junior world champion in sport pistol, and she was senior world champion in sport pistol.
Nice.
So
That was great.
we have a connection. But
Okay.
it's going to be interesting to see what will happen
Yes,
in this
in
series and
fact.
who is going to be able to handle the pressure.
And it's really, all of these women can handle pressure very, very
Yes.
well. Let's take a look now at Maruskova.
Too bad that the camera cannot make the angle where you can see the front of the pistol. Because you can see her arm is quite steady when she
Yes.
fires. Usually, if you're under stress, then your pistol has some very strange movements. She is, you can see by her top of the pistol that it's moving a little bit more than usual.
Nice.
Look at Celine. And I think that Chen
Unbelievable.
has just scored the only 9 in the final.
I think she had maybe one other one. Let's just take a look. There's no ties, and of course Chen has won the gold, Gobervi the silver, and Maruskova the bronze medal.
208.4.
Unbelievable.
Again.
8.4.
Again.
That's right. There she is, our gold medalist
And
today.
she's smiling. Oh, she didn't. Okay.
Unbelievable.
Okay, she won a gold
Chen
medal.
Ying is the gold medalist today. Let's see if we can see Celine Gobervi, our silver medalist today.
I have to be
There
biased
she is.
when we're talking about Celine because she's a very good friend of mine. So I really have to be biased. I was cheering for her also, and I'm really happy that she won a medal here today.
And take a look now at our bronze medalist. There she is, Lenka Maruskova, another medal this season.
And I'm another
Good friend, of course.
Yes. And another person I have to be biased for.
That's right, Lenka Maruskova, our bronze medalist today.
Congrats.
I'm just going to ask everybody to tune in tomorrow. We have, starting off early actually, 11:15 tomorrow morning, local time, we'll have 50-meter rifle prone men. Zorana, thank you very much for joining me today.
Oh, thank you.
I love having you by my side. And
You should think of paying me for this.
and I'll get to my director about that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Victory ceremony of the discipline 25-meter pistol woman. The medals will be presented by Mr. Wai Jia, People's Republic of China, member of the ISSF Pistol Committee. Applause. The bronze medal goes with a total score of 787.3 points from the Czech Republic to Lenka Maruskova. The silver medal goes with a total 789.6 points. From France to Céline Gobadi. And the gold medal goes with a total score of 791.4 points, representing the People's Republic of China, to Chen Yi. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of the People's Republic of